and welcome into this new video. Today I'm sharing a fall comforting rhyming recipe with lamb, vegetable and some spice. Is colorful and flavorful, so please guys don't forget to like and subscribe. My name is Mistura. I'm holistic nutritionist and holistic practitioner, and on my YouTube channel I only share recipe to help people build muscles, lose body fat and enjoy the food they like. So this recipe, it's one of the recipe that's already on my book over here. You can grab my books on my page. The link is on the description box below. So the recipe is just like this, and I just changed the sweet potatoes with a squash, so it's a perfect fall recipe. I hope you guys gonna love and enjoy this video. So if you do, don't forget to like and subscribe. All the link will be on the description box below, and the full recipe will be on my blog, and the link is on the description box below. So let's start with this spicy curry lamb recipe. So for this recipe we will need around 1 pound of lamb cut into chunks, some vegetables, so I cut into big chunks eggplant and winter squash. Then I dice some onions, 1 large bell pepper and 3 cloves of garlic. One can of coconut milk or coconut cream, and then 1 to 2 cups of veggie broth or chicken broth. So for my seasoning, I had some curry powder, ground cumin, some turmeric, some ground coriander. Everything will be on the description box below, so you can go and check for all the spices that I use, and you can switch the spices. You don't have to use the same as I did. And I add some cayenne pepper, optional if you don't like hot spicy food. So here are all the spices we will be using, and then the other condiments will be tomato paste, salt and pepper. So in my pot I'm gonna melt some tallow, or you can use ghee or olive oil, but tallow is my favorite. I'm just gonna brown the meat over high heat. You don't want the meat to be fully cooked, you just want to brown every side of the meat. So I'm coming back a couple of times to just flip the meat over, make sure that all the sides are browned. Then when I'm done with the meat, I'm just gonna put it on a side, and then we're gonna put it into the dish a bit later. So I serve the meat, and then on the same pot where I just browned my meat, I'm adding my onions, bell pepper and garlic, and I mix everything well to combine until they're getting more translucent. And then now I'm adding all my spices. I mix the spices with the onions and bell pepper, make sure they're well incorporated, and then I bring the meat. I put the meat back into the pot, and I mix everything well. And then once the meat is well incorporated, I'm adding my eggplant and winter squash. I use kabocha squash, but you can use any kind of winter squash of your choice. Butternut squash is amazing for this recipe as well. Then I mix the veggies and the meat together, and I'm adding my coconut milk and my veggie broth into the pot. I'm adding the tomato paste, around 2 tablespoon salt, and of course I'm gonna crack some pepper. Then I'm gonna mix everything well together. I want everything to be well incorporated. And then I'm gonna cover under medium-low heat and let it cook for 30 to 40 minutes. And after 40 minutes, my lamb coconut curry is fully cooked. It smells so good. It's a flavorful. I'm just gonna serve a little bit into a plate and it's ready to enjoy. It tastes just so good. It's spicy, flavorful, sweet at the same time. I hope you guys did love this simple, easy recipe. It's perfect for fall if you're craving something warm and comforting. You can switch up the vegetables as I did. The recipe is from my book, and on my book I use sweet potato, and on this recipe that I just shared on my YouTube channel, it was with some squash. So do whatever you want. You can use a potato, you can use butternut squash, like any type of veggies of your choice. The spices as well, you can switch up the spices if you want, but the only really important ingredients for this recipe are the lamb, the eggplant, and the coconut milk. Those three are really important. So I hope you guys did love and enjoy it. The food recipe is on my blog. The link is below. If you want to grab my books as well, the link is below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you guys again for next video. Bye.